carry me a favor.
What's that?
I need to get to one place.
Where do you need to go?
To Norfolk Avenue 60.
Yeah, I can take you there, £6.
For free?
Not for free, no, I'm working.
Maybe she will pay.
Maybe, it's not good enough.
Correct, but not chivalrous enough to consider.
No, I need definite payment. I mean, I can get there and she can't pay, then what?
I will pay you, but fucking Christ, get me there.
No, buddy,
Just
if you haven't got the money.
Direction, right here, right now.
No, if you haven't got the money, I can't take you.
If you can't fulfill my wish, I will kill you. Right here, right now.
Kill me?
Yes. Where do you want to dispose of your body?
There's a cemetery. What do you mean kill me? Why are you being like that for?
Where do you want me to kill you?
You're gonna kill me?
Yes.
Why?
I dare you. Try. Try to convince me to kill you.
I don't want you to kill me. Why are you being like that for?
Then carry out my request, please. Fucking one small favor. I asking you for minimum capable possibility for you. Can you do this?
Hold on, yeah. Let me check if I'm. Let me.
Norfolk Avenue 60. Fuck's sake. Third time won't come for you.
What?
I won't ask third time for favor from you.
Right. I'm not going to pull over. Wait. I thought I'd best do an update on the situation that happened the other day with the guy threatening to kill me while I was working. This happened on Dereham Road at the SO garage. I just cleaned my car when I was then heading out of the garage and I heard someone shout. Do you know what I mean? So I thought maybe he needs help. Like, usually we don't pick people up off the street. It's pre-booked only, so it would have been a case of me phoning the office, booking it in. You know, if someone genuinely needs help, then I'll help them. Especially at a time like this. Now, when he come to the window, obviously you've seen the video, I offered to help him. £6 for the fare, which is probably cheaper than what we do it, but the reason I said that was because we were literally 2 minutes away from where he wanted to go. Do you know what I mean? I was offering to help him, and he was talking about non-payment, you know, not paying me. I mean, times are really hard at the minute for us taxi drivers, for everybody, but taxi industry's rarely been hit hard by this pandemic, so I'm just trying to make what I can out here at the moment for my family and for my sake. So for him to want it to cost nothing really doesn't work for me. So obviously he came out with, if you don't do this, I will kill you. Now that took me by shock. I wasn't expecting that. I didn't take it too seriously at first. You obviously saw the comment about the cemetery, because we were quite close to the cemetery. Dereham Road's very close to Earlham Cemetery, so that's just the first thing that come to my mind. I was quite shocked that he said that. But the thing that got me was just his face. He looked serious, you know, the tone of his voice. Now, I've been doing taxis for about 3 years now, and Sunday mornings are known to be quite strange sometimes. Obviously, people are out at the weekends doing all kinds of stuff. They're drinking, drugs, and we often get a few dodgy jobs Sunday mornings. We can't help that. So I'm quite used to this happening on a Sunday morning, these kind of things happening, but I really wasn't expecting him to come out with that. Now, obviously you can imagine how I wanted to react. But I'm glad I reacted the way I did. You know, I sat there that evening with my children, eating my tea, chilling, watching TV, you know, and I was happy that I reacted the way I did, because people that used to know me know that, you know, that it took a lot for me not to react to that kind of, you know, if someone's threatening your life, like, I just wasn't expecting that at all. So yeah, as he done that, you know, I was kind of weighing up the situation. Like, there was a point in the video where I nearly, you know, I got out of the car nearly. I took the belt off, I was going to get out of the car, but I've got quite a lot of good things going for me at the moment. Even though times are hard right now, you know, I've got good things going for me. And I've always gone by the saying, like, you can't let somebody else on the outside interfere with what you're doing. Do you know what I mean? Now, if I would have reacted, if I would have got out, we would have had a fight, whatever would have happened, you know, I would have ended up in Wyndham Police Station, that's for sure. Also, didn't know what he had on him. He had his hands in his pockets at one point, so I was quite alarmed at that point. So what I did was, after the video, you see the video cut, I pulled over onto the right, It's a little side road just next to the garage. And I got out the car and he was gone, vanished. I couldn't see him anywhere. And I'm thinking, what? So what I did was I drove round, just round, I forgot the name of the road now, but I drove round, back past Toys R Us, then back onto Dereham Road, pulled in again to the garage, couldn't see him anywhere. So I went into the garage, I kind of said to him, you know, is there, because I saw him in the shop at first, he came out of the shop when he first spoke to me, and I said to him, has this guy threatened you, what has he done? And they said, yes, he's been giving them trouble as well, the police have been informed. So I thought, okay, I'm going to go sit in my car and kind of just wait and speak to him. You know, I got dash cam footage I wanted to show him. So I was quite concerned that he was going to hurt an innocent person, you know, somebody minding their business, because he was approaching other cars. He also knocked on somebody's door, and he was banging on the Reindeer pub door as well. So I don't know what he was doing. But as I'm walking out of the garage, he comes walking past me. And I didn't clock at first. And he didn't do anything, didn't even say anything. Do you know what I mean? Like, so I'm thinking, whoa, like, what the hell, man? Do you know what I mean? It shocked me at first to see him just in front of me. He didn't do anything. So I went back outside, I sat in my car. And yeah, he had a van basically in the garage. It's a van. The van's still there. It's a white van. I don't know what's going on. Maybe he put the wrong fuel in, because he didn't seem drunk. He didn't seem on drugs. He just seemed mental. So he's obviously sitting in his van. That's why I didn't clock him. Now the police have arrived. They did arrive. It took around 15 to 20 minutes. You know, when someone's being threatened like that, you'd think they'd arrive sooner. I don't know if the people in the garage though alerted the police that there was threats to kill. I don't know what he did in the garage, but the police finally turned up. Now I went and spoke to him. One of them came over to me, and they got the guy as well. You know, they were speaking to him. He was shouting at them. He was going mad. He was going crazy. He kind of spoke to me. The police spoke to me. They said, can we treat this as an isolated incident? Because I don't think there's some mental health issues going on here. Now, I said I'm happy enough to carry on with my day, because I didn't want it to interfere with my day. I carried on working that day and I earned well. So I wanted to carry on with my day. I didn't want him interfering with what I was doing. So the police were speaking to him, and then he went on his way. They sent him on his way, basically, which was really shocking. You know, he's threatening to kill people for not following out his orders. Like, if that was me and I went up to a random person, I said, look, you do this for me or I'm going to kill you right now, I'm sure I'd be in a lot of trouble. So for them to let him go on his way, you know, he walked up Dereham Road, he was gone, he was out of the way. His van is still in the garage. I don't know why, but you know, the police were fine. They were helpful, they spoke to me, they were polite, but I don't think they knew how to deal with the situation. I did offer to show the dash cam footage. They didn't want to see it, so that's mainly why I posted it. I wanted other people to see, you know, what we put up with. I've had similar situations like this happen before, and I've been in worse situations, if I'm honest with you. I haven't always had a dash cam, but there was more and more of this happening, so this is why I got the camera. But yeah, I'm still shocked, you know, that he got sent on his way. I don't know if they followed anything up, if they followed it up, because you can't go around threatening people. You can't go around threatening to kill people. It's not, you know, he's got away with that. He's going to do that to somebody else, and you know, who knows what will happen next time. Like, so yeah, I carried on with my day, and I haven't heard anything from it since. The police took my details, and that's that really.